right, Vellostar sent us this handy dandy sewing kit so we can show you the features. Right off the bat, I just want to show you that it comes in this very cool case. Great for traveling if you travel with a sewing kit, but it's also good just to stay organized around the house. So now we know that all of our sewing supplies are going to be in this pouch. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. Now, just to preface, I am a novice sewer. I wouldn't even call myself a sewer, a repairer. So I basically will fix hems, I will fix buttons, things like that, but I am in no way, shape, or form going to make you a dress. So I think this is perfect for me. It has so many different color options, 24 to be exact, of different colors, but it also comes with double white and double black, which are the most common used colors for me at least. And just to point out some of the other things that it has the large zippers, the pin cushions, the pins, sewing needles, it's got clips, it's got the thimbles, so safety pins, measuring tape, it's got even a marking pencil, which I thought you were going to use that for coloring. I didn't know. I mean, what do you just mark? Do you mark the fabric with it? Half this stuff I'm not going to use, to be honest, but it's here just in case I need to use it. And I know that I will be doing a lot of YouTubing to figure out what some of this stuff is, to be honest and fair. But the fact that it comes in this nice little carrying case, and just to keep things organized, I can stick it in a drawer on the shelf. I know where it is, and it is easy to use and keeps everything contained. So I would highly recommend this.